Everyone, welcome to the channel Math Learning with Shobita. Today we discuss a question from linear algebra which is asked in the KCET examination 2023. The question is, find the value of m such that the vector m7 minus 4 is a linear combination of vectors minus 2, 2, 1 and 2, 1 minus 2. Option A 2, option B minus 2, option C 0, option D minus 1. How we can solve? Let us see. So let us write the vector m7 minus 4 as a linear combination of the given vectors. So let alpha and beta be any scalars. Then this can be written as alpha into minus 2, 2, 1 plus beta into 2, 1 minus 2. Okay. So after simplification, what you will get, this is m7 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 alpha plus 2 beta, comma 2 alpha plus beta, comma alpha minus 2 beta. So comparing coordinates, we get 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 7 and alpha minus 2 beta is equal to minus 4. So call this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Equation 2 into 2, we get 2 alpha minus 4 beta is equal to minus 8. So I will call this is equation number 3. Now equation 1 minus equation 3. Equation 1 minus equation 3, you will get beta minus 5 minus 4 beta is 5 beta is equal to 7 minus minus 8, 15. So therefore beta is equal to 3. Putting beta equal to 3 in equation 1, we get put beta equal to 3 in equation 1. So we get 2 alpha is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to 2. So we have beta equal to 3, alpha equal to 2. Therefore, m is equal to minus 2 alpha plus 2 beta. This is nothing but minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 6, that is 2. So the value of m is equal to 2. Option A is correct. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.